So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about reproduction. So ensure to stay till the end of this video, as this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this lesson, you will get a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge. So reproduction actually happens in two different ways. That's the sexual reproduction and the asexual reproduction. So sexual reproduction is where genetic information from two organisms are combined to produce offspring which are genetically different from their parents. In sexual reproduction, the mother and the father produce gametes by meiosis. In humans, each gamete contains 23 chromosomes. So that's half the number of chromosomes in a normal cell. So the egg from the mother and the sperm from the father then fuse together. That process is fertilization. And this will form a cell with the full number of chromosomes. That's the half from the mother and then the half from the father. So sexual reproduction involves the fusion of male and female gametes. So because there are two parents, the offspring now contains a mixture of the parents' genes. Okay, so this is why the offspring inherits features from both parents. It receives a mixture of chromosomes from the father and the mother. The mixture of genetic information produces a variation in the offspring. So flowering plants can reproduce in this way too. They also have egg cells, but their version of sperm is known as the pollen. Let's also consider the asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, there is only one parent, so the offspring are genetically identical to that parent. Asexual reproduction happens by mitosis, in which an ordinary cell makes a new cell by dividing into two. A new cell has exactly the same genetic information as the parent cell, and this is called a clone. So in asexual reproduction, there is only one parent, and there is no fusion of gametes, no mixing of chromosomes, and no genetic variation between the parents and the offspring. So asexual reproduction can be seen in bacteria, some plants, and some animals. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.